Welcome to Get Paid to Write. How to land freelance writing gigs in English. Are you passionate about writing and want to turn it into a source of income? In this video, we'll equip you with the essential knowledge and techniques to secure freelance writing opportunities in English. So, let's dive in. 1. Building a strong portfolio. The first step in landing freelance writing gigs is to create a compelling portfolio. Showcase your best work, including articles, essays, or even blog posts to demonstrate your writing skills. If you're just starting out, consider creating sample pieces specifically tailored to your target clients. Make sure your portfolio is well organized, easily accessible online, and visually appealing to make a lasting impression. 2. Identifying your niche. Finding your niche is crucial for success in freelance writing. Identify the areas you're passionate about and specialize in topics where you can provide unique insights or expertise. This specialization will help you stand out from the competition and attract clients who value your specific knowledge. 3. Targeting the right clients. Knowing your target market and audience is essential to secure freelance writing gigs. Learn about different publications, websites, or companies that require English writing services. Tailor your pitches to match their style and focus on the value you can provide. Researching your potential clients will not only increase your chances of landing gigs but also help you build long-term relationships within your chosen niche. 4. Effective pitching techniques. Mastering the art of pitching is crucial to securing freelance writing opportunities. Craft personalized and persuasive pitch emails that highlight your skills, experience, and why you're the perfect fit for their project. Remember to keep your pitches concise, error-free, and tailored to each client. By showcasing your unique strengths and demonstrating your understanding of their needs, you can greatly increase your chances of successfully landing a gig. 5. Establishing your online presence. Building a strong online presence is essential in the freelance writing industry. Create a professional website to showcase your portfolio and provide potential clients with easy access to your work. Utilize social media platforms to connect with fellow writers, industry professionals, and even potential clients. Sharing useful content and engaging in relevant discussions will help you expand your network and attract more writing opportunities. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to land freelance writing gigs in English. Remember, building a strong portfolio, identifying your niche, targeting the right clients, mastering pitch techniques, and establishing your online presence are all key components of your success as a freelance writer. It's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Start applying these tips today, and get ready to turn your passion for writing into a fulfilling and well-paid career.